In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your TikTok funds into your PayPal account. Very simple and straightforward, so make sure you follow this step by step. In the top right hand corner where the burger icon is, or the three lines, you're going to tap on that. Then from there, you're going to tap on settings and privacy in the bottom middle. So once you're on this page, you're going to tap on where it says balance. Then this page here will load. So currently it has 33 cents that we can transfer. If we were to tap on 33 cents itself, it's going to bring up this new page here where it says withdraw. So you're going to tap on withdraw. That will bring you through to the next page. Now from here where it says here, add payment method or manage, if you tap on that, that will bring you through to a new page. And then here is when you can select your PayPal option. Now, when you select your PayPal option, you will need to verify your account to make sure it's correct and obviously where you live, etc. But that is how you withdraw your TikTok funds into your PayPal account.